Welcome to the Fractal Video Shufflr editing series. In this series, I'm going to only focus on editing, nothing else, so let's get started. Today, I was tasked with recreating this video. Someone wanted me to recreate it. It is a celebrity news video about Russell Crowe revealing something about Nicole Kidman and Keith Urban. So what I'm going to do is just scroll through this video and see what it looks like. It looks like there's a few different images, a few different clips. Just play this a little bit. And what I like about this specific channel that we are replicating, they have the YouTube name in the top left here, so we'll be able to use that when we are trying to find clips for this video. So we don't need to actually get this video, we can just do something similar by looking at what videos they're using. And so yeah, I mean, this looks pretty easy to recreate in Fractal Video Shufflr. So what we're going to do is just open up the shuffler, and I am going to just click create with AI. That's going to quickly open up the events editor for me. I'm going to close that out. And so now I have the events editor open. And so getting started is super simple. I'm going to start by setting this to 5 minutes because that's how long I want this video to be. Once that's set to 5 minutes, I'm going to come over here to my pages and I'm just going to start looking for videos. So I clicked find videos, and this is a platinum feature, so you do have to have platinum to do this. Otherwise you can just use another way to get these videos, but I'm going to use find videos, and I'm going to actually go to search mode. And what I'm going to do is go back to that video, and yeah, I'm just gonna, again, we're gonna look through this video, look and see where these clips are coming from. AP archive, we know all of these are going to be clips of Russell Crowe because this video is about Russell Crowe, but we're also going to want to get clips about Nicole Kidman and Keith Urban so that this matches well. And so you can see throughout this video that it is a lot of pictures of Russell Crowe, Keith Urban, and Nicole Kidman. So we'll just try to mimic that as well. So let's start with Russell Crowe. Let's get some footage of Russell. So we'll come back here and we'll search for Russell. And I'm just going to get some clips. I'm going to stick to small clips so they download quick. I'm going to get this 3-minute clip, and I want, let's see, what else do I want? This one looks okay. And let's get this one. Oh, it looks like he also won Best Actor. So let's get that one since it's shorter. I don't want the 9-minute one. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and click add here, and it's going to go ahead and download those for us. And so I'm going to go back to that browser again, and I'm going to copy Nicole Kidman's name because that's the other person that's showing up a lot in this video. So that's going to download, and you'll see in the background is adding those videos as it downloads. So this is the quick and easy way to get footage for a video. So again, all I did was I just looked at the video, determined who was going to be in the video, and so in this case it's Russell Crowe, Nicole Kidman, and the other name. And I'm just selecting a few videos, clicked add, so those download, and they're loading in. So it looks like we got one more video to go for Russell. All right, now you can see we have all our Russell videos. And so next I'm going to click find videos again. This time I'm going to type in Nicole Kidman. We're going to search for Nicole. And this time I'm going to just do one video since she is not the main person of this video that I'm making. Russell Crowe is, he's the first person's name. So let's see, who do I want to do? I want to do a short video. This one makes chilling comment. So yeah, let's do this one, and yeah, let's do this one from eNews. Let's add those two. Just a 1-minute video and a 1-minute video. Download those two, and then now I'm gonna go back and get Keith Urban, who is the last person in this video. So same thing, going back, letting those two videos get downloaded and added into my project. Once those are added, I'm going to search for Keith Urban and add him into my video. And so that'll be the source footage for this celebrity news video. I got all of the celebrities that I want to be in it, and all I really have to do is make sure my voiceover is good to go, and yeah, this video will be ready to edit. So yeah, just letting that download, and then again we're gonna get the last source footage that we need. All right, so now we got our Nicole Kidman videos in here. And lastly, I'm going to go find videos, and I'm gonna search for Keith Urban. And for this one, I'm just gonna do one. What we can do is, let's see, do we want to do a music video? Here's one where he breaks down. So let's do this, 244. Let's add this one. And yeah, so now we got a video with Russell Crowe, Nicole, and Keith Urban in it. And all of our visuals will perfectly match what is in the script. And our audience will be extremely entertained, and as well as content with all of the video footage that we've collected, since it matches, right? So now we got this one for Keith. We got this one for Nicole. Then we got some for Russell. Okay, I like what I got over here. You could create multiple pages if you want to split out how these are. Like maybe you just want the first minute to be Nicole or Russell, which I actually think I'm going to do. I'm going to click the plus button here, create a new page, and I'm going to move this one has Nicole in it. I'm going to move the one with Nicole. I'm going to drag that and move it to page 2. So now we won't see Nicole on page 1 at all. In that first 2 minutes, we'll only see Nicole on the second page. And so if we wanted to see some more of Russell and Keith, all we have to do is click this duplicate button, and then I will drag the duplicated video to page 2 for Keith. And let's see, I also want to take, maybe let's get the Joe Rogan one. Let's duplicate that. Scroll down, add that to page 2. Nice. All right, so now we got our video perfectly set up, where now I just want Russell on that first page, no Nicole. Also got Keith on this first page, which is fine. And then I've got Nicole showing up at the 2-minute mark, along with some videos of Keith. I do think I also want to get this one as well, so that I can get some more footage of Russell on the 2-minute mark as well. And that is looking great. So yeah, this video is looking good. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just click refresh, and it's going to create our optimized plan for us, and it's going to load up the timeline so that we can preview what we just created. Once the plan has been generated and optimized, all you have to do is go up to File, click Export, and then just name your video. And we'll just name this, I think it was Russell Crowe. Russell Crowe. And you can change the settings. You can add captions if you like, but I'm not going to do any of that. I'm just going to click Export. And then your video will be exporting, and you'll see how much time you have to go, and it will create that video for you. And then when the video is all done, it'll automatically open up, and you'll be able to easily preview that video. And so what I'm going to do is, yeah, I'll leave that video at the end of this video once that has exported. And if you have any questions, definitely make sure to leave them in the comments below. I believe Fractal Video Shufflr is the most advanced video editor available, and it will allow for you to edit much quicker, much easier, and allow you to get monetized on YouTube faster, because you'll be able to focus more on coming up with ideas rather than spending so much time clipping videos up and around. You can just focus on creating the pages, focus on how you would want the video to produce, and yeah, just click refresh plan and export, and you're ready to go. That's all I got for this video. If you have any questions, again, just leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please leave a like on it and subscribe to see more of this editing tutorial series. And again, that's all I got. I'll see you all in the next one.
Russell Crowe reveals a shocking truth about Nicole Kidman's divorce from Keith Urban. Nicole warned Keith about his affair before everything fell apart. That's the bombshell allegedly dropping right now, and it changes everything we thought we knew about this divorce. For months, the narrative has been that Nicole and Keith simply grew apart after 19 years, that Keith was the devoted husband who toured too much. That distance slowly eroded their connection. But according to reports, Russell Crowe, one of their closest friends, someone who witnessed their relationship from the very beginning at that G-Day LA gala in 2005, is allegedly revealing something much darker. Nicole didn't just wake up one day and decide the marriage was over. She warned Keith. She confronted him. She gave him a chance before she walked away. And what happened next will destroy the image of Hollywood's perfect couple. So what exactly did Russell reveal? What affair is he allegedly talking about? When did Nicole's warning happen? And does the evidence prove that Keith Urban wasn't the devoted husband at all, but the one who betrayed Nicole's trust? To understand why Russell Crowe's alleged revelation carries so much weight, you need to understand his unique position in Nicole and Keith's lives. Russell Crowe is not some distant celebrity acquaintance. He's been connected to Nicole Kidman for decades through their shared Australian heritage and Hollywood careers. They've worked in the same circles, attended the same events, supported each other's projects. Russell knows Nicole as a genuine friend, and he was there at the beginning. Russell attended that G-Day LA gala in January 2005, where Nicole and Keith first met. By all accounts, he witnessed their initial connection, watched their romance develop, and remained close to both throughout their 19-year marriage. This wasn't someone observing from tabloid reports. Russell allegedly had direct access to both Nicole and Keith. He saw how they interacted privately. He heard their concerns and frustrations. He witnessed moments the public never knew existed. Because when you've seen a love story from the first spark to the final warning, silence starts to feel like betrayal. That's what makes his alleged revelation about Nicole warning Keith so significant. Russell isn't speculating. He's reportedly sharing information he obtained through direct friendship. When a trusted confidant breaks silence about something as serious as infidelity and a warning, people listen. The question becomes, why is Russell speaking about this now? Close friends typically stay silent during divorces. So if Russell really is revealing that Nicole warned Keith about an affair, something must have pushed him to break that code. Those discussing his alleged comments suggest Russell may be protecting Nicole's reputation, because right now, the public narrative makes Keith look like the devoted victim, while Nicole looks like the one who walked away from someone who loved her. But if there was an affair, if Nicole warned Keith and he didn't change, then the entire story flips. Nicole becomes the betrayed spouse who gave her husband a chance. Keith becomes the one who destroyed the marriage. So what exactly did Russell Crowe allegedly reveal about Nicole warning Keith? According to sources and reports circulating across entertainment platforms, Russell has made statements suggesting that Nicole confronted Keith about inappropriate behavior or an actual affair, and that she explicitly warned him this would end their marriage if it continued. The alleged revelation is spreading through industry sources and entertainment channels. While we can't point to a single verified interview where Russell says these exact words on the record, the claim is generating significant attention because of how well it explains mysteries about the divorce. Here's where it gets complicated. The word warned can mean two things. Either Nicole discovered Keith was having an affair, confronted him, and warned him it would end the marriage if it happened again. Or Nicole warned Keith that his lifestyle, constant touring, time away, whatever he was doing on the road, was reaching a breaking point. Those analyzing Russell's alleged comments say the ambiguity might be intentional. By using warned, Russell can reveal serious issues without definitively accusing Keith of a physical affair, avoiding potential legal problems. What makes this significant is that Russell is breaking the code of celebrity friendship silence. The fact that he would allegedly speak about this suggests either he has Nicole's permission to share her side, or he feels strongly enough about protecting her reputation that he's willing to risk his friendship with Keith. The timing matters too. Speaking about this after the divorce is filed strategically shapes public perception. If there was an affair or inappropriate behavior, getting that information out explains why Nicole walked away and why the divorce happened so quickly. To understand Russell's alleged revelation, you need to understand Keith Urban's touring lifestyle and how it created opportunity and temptation. Keith toured approximately 200 days per year throughout his marriage to Nicole. That's more than half of every year away from home, living on the road with his band and crew. Russell, having been in the entertainment industry for decades, reportedly understands exactly